Hello everyone and welcome to another AtMaths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 5 Additional Mathematics Chapter 3 Integration Long Question Example 4. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. The diagram shows a shaded region bounded by the curve x square plus y square equals to r. The straight lines x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. So this is the diagram. Continue to read the question. If the volume of the solid generated when the shaded region is revolved through 180 degree about the x-axis is 24 pi units cube, find the value of r. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries, I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions. So without further delay, let us start to solve this question. Before moving on into the discussion, I want you to be careful before attempting the question because the question is emphasizing 180 degree about the x-axis, is not 360 degree. Usually when you encounter this type of question, they will give you 360 degree. So when you see the 360 degree, okay, you know that it is a full revolution. But then in this case, they gave you 180 degree. So 180 degree is indicating it is a half revolution. Okay guys, so I hope you are clear about this 180 degree. So from here, let us continue to find the value of r. Okay, for this question, we're going to use the volume of the solid of revolution with respect to the x-axis. Okay, so from here we're going to use this formula where v is equals to pi times with the integral, okay, with the given by the limit a and b y square with respect to dx. Okay, for this question we are going to find with respect to x-axis, not y-axis guys. Okay, let me box this formula. So I hope this formula will be useful for you. Okay, from here let us calculate the volume. So from here, pi, okay, you cannot just leave it as pi guys, since it is involving 180 degree, you need to divide with 2. So from here, pi over 2, okay, and then you have an integral over here. So from here, your upper limit is 2 and your lower limit is -1. Okay, and then you need to include the expression of y square. So from here, to get the expression of y square, you can obtain it from here guys. Y square equals to r minus x square, okay, through the algebra formula. So I hope you understand the concept behind this. So from here, y square you can express in terms of x, where it is equals to r minus x square close bracket with respect to dx, where you should get equals to 24 pi units cube. Okay, so let us continue. So we can perform the integration inside the bracket now. So from here, pi over 2, okay, and then you make a square bracket. So from here, r will become rx, okay, negative x square, it will become negative x cube over 3 close bracket with the upper limit of 2 and lower limit of -1. So you should get equals to 24 pi. Okay, so the 2 you can times at the right hand side, so it will become 48 pi. From 24 pi it will become 48 pi. So from here you get pi square bracket rx minus x cube over 3 close bracket with the upper limit of 2 and lower limit of -1, it is equals to 48 pi. Okay, before moving on into the next step of working, as you can see here, this pi and this pi, they are equally in the left hand side and the right hand side respectively. So what you can do is you can cancel them out guys. Okay, the pi and pi, you can cancel them out, so it will make your calculation easier. So you're only left with the limit substitution and then equals to 48. So from here, let us substitute the upper limit and the lower limit respectively. So from here, 2r, okay, and then you minus with 2 cube over 3, okay, and then you minus with negative r, okay, and then you minus with negative 1 cube over 3, close bracket. Okay, you calculate this, you should get equals to 48. Okay, so from here you start at this expression first. So from here you get 2r minus 8 over 3, okay, and then minus with negative r, okay, and then you minus with negative 1 over 3. So negative 1 cube you get is negative 1. The negative 1 you times with negative over here. So from here you get positive 1 over 3 is equals to 48. So the negative you times in. So from here 2r minus 8 over 3 minus become positive r. So the minus times with minus, so you get become positive r. So the negative times with positive will become negative 1 over 3. Okay, and then you should get equals to 48. Okay, so from here 2r plus with r you should get is 3r. Negative 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3 you should get is negative 9 over 3. You can write negative 9 over 3 or you can write negative 3. Okay, so 3r minus 3 is equals to 48. So from here you get 3r is equals to 51. So from here 48 you plus with 3, so this negative 3 from the left hand side you move it over to the right hand side, so that's how you get the 51 over here. From here 3r is equals to 51. So to get r, what you do, 51 you divide with 3. So from here you should get your r is equals to 17. So this is your final answer, guys. Okay, let me underline the solution for this question. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Any comments or feedback, feel free to put down in the comment section. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.